Check in. Work a go on, you know. Work a go on. I line up some ply, cut out some ply around this. Set up them base box around this, real way. Line up for line up, set up for set. See that part there over the roof up there, sir? Yeah, sir? Yeah. All of this from over here, sir, to over here, sir. I want to cover it. But I kind of map out one next look sitting in the car. So I'm going to show you what I map out. Fully. Give you in a little detail what I want to do. Before me even start doing, I want to give you a detail of what I want to do. I'm going to show you. Watch this. Alright. You see right there, so? The space here. Through here, so. I want to make use of here, so. Because, yeah, I want to look at unrest, you know. Yeah, I don't want to trouble the unrest part. Because it's kind of comfortable. But what I want to do, underneath this, when you lift up this and come so, I want to see me tuning equipment right just underneath this. So when you go down so, you know, long still, you know. So I'm going to start from bow right so and come out. I want to try to do it one way, but I don't know. Maybe if I do them low, I'm going to try to do them low. I don't have much height either, but I'm going to try map them out and see how they fit. If I can make them work this up. Otherwise than that, I have to watch my kids them because I have my kids them, you know. So I watch my kids them all kind of stuff. But if they can hold this or that, I go do. I want to put the Mackie board right in that space here, so. Mackie board and the preamp. Or put the preamp up as on the Mackie board down there. But that me and my port right now. I'm going to get the equipment them and put them. See how they look, how they fit. And see if it can work the way I want it to work. I did all want to make one cup holder, you know. Because I don't see no cup holder, you know. So I did want to make one cup holder for him. But you know, cup holder and the electronics now work good. So if I go make it, I have to make it properly. I see what I can do still. I go and observe them party and look on the space and see what can hold away. So stay tuned. Because we are starting crazy build on the understream right now. Alright people, watch the settings here now. Them cheap piece of equipment you have to go here, so 1, 2, 3 of them. You have to find a way to make them whole. Expander, driverack, maximizer. 3 of them for go one place. Alright, people ask me why me use maximizer. I got to explain this for you quick and fast right now. Alright. Purpose of driverack. Driverack replace all tuning equipment for my sound system. Me use driverack for tuning. Me use it for tune everything. Like all this now. A 6 output you have, you know. Yeah, 6 output. So you can tune on, tweeter, high mid, low mid, bass, chewy. All in window box them separate. Because watch out, you use one channel for each thing. One channel for each thing. That me do. Even though I don't really run bass through driverack, but the driverack, then say the DBX driverack nice if I run bass through, so I'm going to try. The expander now have impact. Yeah, you can see it. You mark all impact pan in. You see it? Impact. Me never used that one before, but me hear say good. So I'm going to try. The maximizer now. A bass music maximizer for bass alone. Me use it for. Yeah, it gives some bass note where sometimes you will tune your sound and you feel like some of my bass note they missing. In maximizer, bring out back them note there night. Bring them back in our system. So that is the reason why me use maximizer. Yeah. So me I use them there. Me also I use that. Me belly hungry, you know. Me also I use Mackie board. I want to try to put the Mackie board there, so. I want to put this to turn up right there, so. Yeah, and I want to put the tuning equipment them long way, so. So I have to go make all of this in a one console. I all want to put some switch, you know. Yeah, so I have to go find space to put the switch them also. So a whole heap of little things more do right now. I don't know what I go on with under them place. Oh, I'm pack it there, sir. So I can't make nothing come out too much. I want him to can still use this. How me I go do is switch them? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. All the ways did there, you know, because I can make use of the space up if you switch them same way, you know, if I want, you know, but I don't want everything. I want everything in that little channel. Probably I put something go back up the way, yeah. Up so. Go up the so. Yeah. I don't know yet. But see, this is a little issue with me have. Because when I close down this, it's close. And the equipment then can't, because this rest on the ground right now, you know. And the now can't rest on the ground because RC I go plug in and I back it so it have to go come up like a higher. So the space kind of limited. But I try to improvise and make it work. I want to make it work. I want to make it work the way I want. Because I want it to be nice. So, make we see what can go on right now. Start putting something. Start cut some ply and make something right now. Check in. Watch this now. See it? Build that already, you know. That build already, you know. I keep a Mackie board in a plastic for now because I don't want people bear in mind so this is a rough work, you know, because I got round off them edge, you know. Round off them edge. Smooth off them edge. Yeah, just bear in mind so this is a rough work. So nobody judge by the roughness of what I have right. So when you see the finished product, I'm going to say a different thing. Alright, right yes or no? This me I go start building now. This. I want this right yes or no? Yeah. So try design it upon way. Alright. Boom bang 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 bang. Alright. Start cut ply again. Alright people, check in. Not no screw up yet, you know. Still rough work this. Rough work. Alright. Expander. The expander now come with the bracket them. Go for bracket here on. But me set it one way. But me I go try see if me can source some bracket. Source 2 bracket. If not, me I go try and make 2 bracket. I suppose you can make a bracket them, you know, but me I try see if me can get the original one. If not, me just make 2. Use piece of aluminum and bend it and make it. Me can do that. Tileys. Alright. Preamp now. Me that think about put the preamp up by corner up so. From here so. Go up. But me change that the design there. Me I put the preamp in a miggle. It look neater to me in a miggle. Because me I go put switch. I put switch up there so. I go put switch down there so. Nice when the switch then together, you know. When all I switch in the one place. I'm wanting to tell me if you don't agree with me or not. But me I tell you no. Alright. It's nice if you preamp did the upper so by itself. It's easier. I not say nice, easier. It's easier if you preamp the upper so by itself and the switch then the down so by themselves. Yeah. Easier that way there because when you wire it, all I switch in the one place for wire one place and wherever. Yeah. But to me, it look neater with the preamp in a miggle. Switch on one side and switch on one side. And it will look nicer with the light them because the switch then supposed to light up. If I right switch them like you want them me use before, them will light up and the preamp will light up. So just imagine the preamp light, switch light, maximizer light, expander light, drive rack light, all of that. All of this will light up. So give me your own opinion. Oh, I know so I never test this though. Alright, panny there, you know, let me look. I got mesh. I got mesh the top of it still. Oh, you know I touch nothing. I touch nothing. Barely I touch the maximizer key. But you can put something for catch up with some more. Let me see. Yeah man, you can catch up some more. When me organize, me gonna make one cover for right so. And make it wall up a little higher half of them. But and the cover what me gonna make for wall a mesh. Yeah, that we can wall up it. But me don't really have no problem with that I touch nothing, because I not gonna do nothing. You lock off everything. Everything they on 0. Everything they on off. Yeah. People, I organize the wire up, you know. Yeah, I wire, I go wire up. Up and running, alright, round there, so. I look on the space around there, so. I work in a continuity, you know. Yeah, come I look on the space, alright, so. This. I'm almost, I consider to put my inverter somewhere in here, so. If I put the inverter in here, so. And we can reach if we switch off here and switch on it. Through the top of here, so. Yeah, so I look on that. I don't know how I go on yet. Look under this, so. See space? Look on the space behind the expander. See no space not there? No space not there, you know? Go up and plug on them RCA, them we good. I'm going to try use some sideway RCA on the expander still. Yeah, I have some of that can use. So my bend jack them. Because I kind of like the settings I have here already. So I try to make the best of the settings I have. Alright, that's a one bridge cross. Yes or no? Arms rock time. Them put in them flooring and tidy, man. But I'm gonna make it look good. I'm gonna make it look good. Cut it, so. Cut the board for you, so. Go cross way. Measure it up and cut it and shape it and set it. And then I put on the side piece then on it. Feel like I'm gonna start do that right now. Up this I can go up and pause for now. Good. Alright people, watch this. This finish. Yeah, this finish. Finish. Switch them. Be a different color switching. Green, red, yellow, blue. Green, red, yellow, blue. Yeah. Set. Alright, so that ready. 8 switch me I gonna use. I have more switch, you know. See, I have more switch that I say, you know. See them there? I have more color too. Let me see. Same thing there, so green, red, yellow, blue. 4 different set. So you know where you go. That means I can use, if I want, I can use 2 ICM color if I want, or 3 ICM color. But feel like I want to use all I color them in another one. Alright, bang. So this ideal now. Still have to get the bracket them for the expander. Done with that. Right, that's all. I'll get the inverter and try how the inverter go fit. If it can fit this. I don't think it can work this because they plug them all cock up in the air and I don't really want that. But I still have to look on it. Maybe. Maybe it might can work. Maybe it can work. Moving on. Yeah, check in. Watch out now. See it here? Yeah. Ready. Yeah, rough work still, but you're ready. Ready. I could have put all the switch them on the front there, so too, you know, but the switch them alright with them there still. Look more neat, tidier, clean up it. I'm not going to see them screw here when I finish them screw here. Because I'm going to cover up them screw here. Them screw here. All them little crease here, I'm going to cover up them there. Yeah, clean up all of them part there. Smooth down them edge. Clean up it. Nice and proper. I'm going to make one mesh where I'm going to go over the top of it. Yeah, we're going to cover it. This I'm going to go down. Yeah. So I'm not going to see it. I might all take off this, you know. I don't know what I'm going on. Maybe I take out this out of here. This. Maybe I just take out it. Because it kind of in a way. But for now, you're so ready. Yeah, you're so fully ready, you know. Could almost put the cup holder of them right there, you know. But you see, if I put the cup, the reason why I not put it there, if I put the cup holder here, so you just imagine a cup holder here, so with drinks, and the drinks wet and a drip. Right in my maki board, it a drip. So I not make no cup holder. I don't make it, but I not bother. Take cup holder out of my mind right now. Sound car no need cup holder. But that it. That look good there, so. Around us now. As me tell you now. You go cut the ply if you go. Crossway, yeah, so. Be a speaker them there, I did start block them off, you know. But I never finish. I just a little. I never have nothing to do with what the other evening, and I say I start do that. So, I start with the arms rack now. Good. Check in. Yeah, man, I eat this for evening. I eat this for evening. So, yes, so we are going to have arms. Straight across. I'm going to block off all other side, yeah. I'm going to block off all over the next side over this. You know, say, when I done map out this a while ago, I look and I realize, say, see how much space there under is? Yeah. Can put the fan them under here, so. That me I think about. Put one fan here, so. And one fan over the next side. Make it blow some air. Up. In the hamstring. Up and out, you know? Yeah. That me I look on. Why? No, the car start look like a sound now. Yeah, man, the car start look like a sound now. Yeah. Watch out now. If you're not interested in anything, just press subscribe. Yeah. Subscribe. If you're not subscribe, you can't know what I go on. You can't see USI video them. I want to see you is this, you know. So press subscribe and follow the series. Cause one more series this are the Understream series. Look on the seat them. Music thing there, know that going on. Music thing there. See all on the steering yellow there. When it's painting this in one color, you see? A mad up in machine. Go on the next side and show you what I go on. Subscribe to the channel. See battery them there. Side chunk. Yeah, man. So, I don't know how that go. Set up around us. Yellow on here, so. Yellow seat. Yellow on the arms rack. Yellow. Audio pipe. 4 18-inch. Yeah. Crazy thing I go on in this, you know. Crazy thing. Pack up for night still, but tomorrow is another series, so I want to stay tuned for that. Crazy things are going to go on tomorrow. I catch the door, yeah, you know. You know what I mean? You have to catch it when you're at work. You catch it? See if you catch for use tomorrow. Normal, you know? Yeah. I like that one here. That one here got nice. That one here got really nice. Yeah. Go and set it, you know. Yellow pan rim, yellow pan box, yellow. I go and set it. So people, subscribe, like and share. And stay tuned for the next one. Because I don't know. Tomorrow I finish up round this. So. I put in the arms them round this. So. On the board there. Map them out. Walk go away. Finish black out them part that I black out. You see no black out yet. Over the top no black out yet. Finish black out all of them space there. And then you know say nearer we are draw to the knockings. That one I not take no time for done, you know, because window box and make already. And the top box and make already. Base box install already. So I know so that one I not take no time to finish up and play. So stay tuned for it. I'm going to show you how I tune everything. I'm going to show you how I wire everything. What go to what. Why I send this to that first and all kind of something. All of them wiring settings there. We're not going to get them before anything else. We're not going to see all what I want before anything else. So stay tuned for all of that. I'm out.